If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To add text to a PDF in Acrobat, open the PDF to edit in Acrobat, and then either click the Edit a PDF link in the All Tools panel, or click the Edit link in the top bar to show the Edit panel at the left side of the screen. Then click the Text button in the Edit panel. At that point, the mouse pointer changes into a text insertion tool when you hover it over the PDF pages, and text formatting options appear at the top of the Edit panel. To add a new text box to the PDF, click at the location in the PDF page at which to add the new text box. Then start typing into the new text box or paste copied text into it. As you type, Acrobat automatically detects and matches the formatting of any existing text closest to the new text block. However, if you add text to a PDF without any text, Acrobat applies the formatting options in the Format Text section at the top of the Edit panel. To change the text formatting, change the properties at the top of the Edit panel. To resize a text box in Acrobat, hover your mouse pointer over the resizing handle that corresponds to the direction in which to resize the text box. The resizing handles are the small circles on the bounding box of the text box. When you do this, your mouse pointer then turns into a straight, double-pointed arrow bisected by a small line. This icon means you are about to resize the text box when you then click and drag. At that point, then click and drag in either direction shown by the arrow to make it the desired size, and then release the mouse button. Note you often cannot vertically resize a text box, as its height is set by the number of lines of text it contains. Also note that resizing a text box upward vertically also moves the text box in the PDF page, so you may need to then reposition it after changing its size. To move a text box in Acrobat, hover the cursor over the bounding box, avoiding the resizing handles, until the cursor turns into the Move pointer, which is a cross with arrows on each end. When it looks like this, then click and drag it to the desired location and release the mouse button. Optionally, to restrict moving a text box in Acrobat by either its horizontal or vertical axis relative to its current position, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard after you start to click and drag to move the text box. To change the text formatting in a text box in Acrobat, either click and drag to select specific text within a text box, or click the bounding box of a text box to select it and all its text. Then use the formatting buttons in the Format Text section at the top of the Edit panel to change its appearance. To change its font, select a choice from the Font dropdown. To change the font size, select a choice from the Font Size dropdown. To change the font color, click the Font Color box and select a color from the dropdown that appears. To set the text alignment, click the Text Alignment dropdown and then select an alignment choice. To toggle bolding, italics, or underlining on or off, click the Bold, Italic, or Underline button, respectively. To toggle superscript or subscript on or off, click the Superscript or Subscript buttons, respectively. To apply bullets or numbering only to selected text within a text box, Click the Bullet List or Numbered List drop-down respectively, and then select a choice. To set line spacing for either selected text or a text box, select a choice from the Line Spacing drop-down. To set the spacing after a paragraph, which you create when you press the Enter key on your keyboard within a text box, select a choice from the Paragraph Spacing After drop-down. To change the horizontal scaling percentage of text, select a choice from the Horizontal Scaling drop-down. To change the character spacing of text, select a choice from the Character Spacing drop-down. To rotate a text box in Acrobat, hover your mouse pointer next to one of its resizing handles until the mouse pointer icon turns into a curved arrow. At that point, then click and drag to rotate the text box. Then release the mouse button to set the rotation of the text within the text box and resize the text box to fit. If needed, to undo the last change you made in Acrobat, click the hamburger menu button in the title bar, roll down to the Undo, Redo, and More command, and then select the Undo command from the side menu that appears. Alternatively, press the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to undo your last action. You can use the Undo command multiple times to undo multiple changes in the order they were performed if needed. To close the Edit panel after adding and editing the desired text in the PDF in Acrobat, click the Close the Edit panel button in the upper right corner of the Edit panel. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.